Good morning, students, and welcome to another online life science classroom of St. Michaels Academy. Today, I am going to continue excretory system. Few portion of excretory system actually left. So, let's start the class to discuss the rest of the portion of excretory system. First, I am going to discuss structure of the kidney in toto. A kidney is composed of a large number of minute tubules called uriniferous tubules. From urine, this word has come. Uriniferous. That means these tubules are very thin pipe-like structures helps to collect urine. Each tubule begins blindly in a two-walled cup with a narrow mouth. The cup is known as Bowman's capsule. A small afferent vessel from the renal artery enters the capsule and breaks up into a bunch of capillaries which fits into the cup. This is the glomerulus. Glomus means a ball. An efferent vessel emerges at the other end of the glomerulus and drains into the renal vein. A capsule with its glomerulus is recognized as the Malpighian body. That means a kidney, main portion of kidney, Malpighian corpuscle or Malpighian body you can say, which is actually divided into glomerulus and Bowman's capsule. Glomerulus means actually the vessels, efferent and afferent vessels, and Bowman's capsule means the cup-like structure within which this glomerulus situated actually. Okay, the other end of Bowman's capsule is connected with the tubule proper, which extends as a much convoluted narrow channel. Ultimately, the tubules join with one another to form larger tubes called collecting tubes, and these in turn open into the ureter. The convoluted part of each tubule is surrounded by capillary networks derived from the renal portal vein. On the ventral surface of the kidney, there are numerous microscopic openings called nephrostomes. Nephrons means kidney and stoma means opening, which drain into the renal veins. So, there are two parts actually of a kidney. One is this Bowman's capsule and glomerulus, that is Malpighian corpuscle, and the another portion actually, that is tubules. So in the second para we have discussed about these tubules only. Now nephron. The nephron is the microscopic structural and functional unit of the kidney. This is a very important question. What is nephron? So please remember, the nephron is the microscopic and structural and functional unit of the kidney. Microscopic means it is visible only under microscope. So it is composed of a renal corpuscle and a renal tubule. The renal corpuscle consists of a tuft of capillaries, that means a bunch of capillaries, called a glomerulus and an encompassing Bowman's capsule. You can see this, that is, the renal corpuscle consists of a tuft of capillaries called a glomerulus and an encompassing Bowman's capsule. Parts of nephron. First one is proximal convoluted tubule, found in the renal cortex. Second one is loop of Henle, mostly in the medulla portion. Third one is distal convoluted tubule, found in the renal cortex. Fourth one is collecting tubule in the medulla, And the fifth one is collecting duct in the medulla. So there are the 5 parts of the nephron. Now please see this diagram. Here, this is the actually excretory system of toad. In case of female, you can see rectum is like that in this case, and this is bladder, that means urinary bladder, and this one is cloacal aperture. Forget about this portion because this is the reproductive system of a female toad that we are going to discuss in the next class, next to next class maybe. So please concentrate on this portion: rectum, urinary bladder, and cloacal aperture. Hope so you have understood. Rest of the portion of excretory system I'll continue in the next slide. Till then, bye bye and have a nice day.